How long do memory foam mattress toppers last? If you're wondering how often you should replace your memory foam mattress topper, you're not alone. Many people use these toppers to enhance their sleep comfort, but the lifespan can vary. First, let's talk about the average lifespan. Generally, a memory foam mattress topper lasts between 3 to 5 years. However, this time frame can change based on several factors. One key factor is how often you use the topper. If you use it daily, it will naturally wear out faster than if you only use it occasionally. For example, if you have a guest room and the topper is only used a few times a year, it might last longer than one used every night. The quality of the memory foam itself is also crucial. High-quality toppers made from dense, high-grade materials will last longer than cheaper alternatives. Look for certifications like Cert Appur US, which ensure the foam is made with high standards for durability and is free from harmful chemicals. How you care for the topper also plays a significant role. Regular cleaning and rotating the topper can extend its life. It's recommended to cover the topper with a mattress protector to shield it from dirt, dust, spills, and sweat. This simple step can help maintain the topper's condition and keep it clean. The thickness of the topper is another important factor. Thicker toppers, typically those that are 3 inches or more, tend to last longer than thinner ones. Thinner toppers, such as those that are 1 to 2 inches thick, may wear out quicker due to the consistent weight they bear. Additionally, the material construction can affect the topper's lifespan. Memory foam toppers that are infused with cooling gel or have an open cell structure can last longer because they regulate temperature better, reducing the wear and tear caused by heat. When should you replace your memory foam topper? It's time to get a new one when it starts to lose its shape or show signs of wear and tear. If you notice that the topper is no longer providing the same level of comfort and support, it's likely time for a replacement. In summary, while the average lifespan of a memory foam mattress topper is 3 to 5 years, proper care, high-quality materials, and usage frequency can all impact how long it lasts. By following these tips, you can ensure your topper provides you with the best possible sleep for as long as possible.